What are the most in-demand tech skills for freelancers in 24? That's the question we're answering today, diving deep into the data from the 2024 Fiverr survey to reveal the tech skills that are drawing the eyes and wallets of tech executives across the United States. In an industry that's constantly evolving, the need for specialized talent has never been greater. A wide-ranging skills gap, coupled with budget constraints and an ongoing tech talent war, has led to an interesting solution: freelancers. These highly skilled professionals, adept at gig work, are the answer to completing complex projects without delays. The 2024 Fiverr survey, which took in the views of 500 tech executives, revealed that the third quarter of the year is the most stressful period, with nearly 90% of respondents open to hiring freelance talent to cope with the strain of business demands. It's clear that freelancing is not only a viable option, but a necessary one. Nearly a third of these employers integrate freelancers into their daily processes. 21% tap into their freelance pool every workday, while over 30% call on the services of freelancers 2 to 3 times a week. This isn't a new trend. As far back as 2024, a World Economic Forum found that 43% of businesses plan to reduce their workforce due to technology integration, while 41% plan to expand their use of contractors for task-specialized work. So, why are tech freelancers in demand? Tech companies can relieve their stressed-out teams, respond quickly to industry challenges, and save time and money on recruiting, hiring, onboarding, and training full-time employees. Meanwhile, freelancers gain flexibility and autonomy with the ability to set competitive rates. For top-tier freelancers with strong expertise in their field, this demand leads to high recommendations and repeat clients. This can build long-term relationships and trust with tech companies, leading to more financial stability, even outside of a regular 9-to-5 job. So what are the in-demand skills for freelancers? What services and skill sets are tech companies seeking the most from freelancers? We'll dive into that in our next video. To summarize, the demand for tech freelancers is growing, driven by a need for specialized skills and flexibility. Freelancers are stepping up to fill this gap, providing valuable services while enjoying the benefits of flexible work arrangements. And with the right skills, freelancers can secure high-paying gigs and build lasting relationships with tech companies. Tune in next time to find out the specific tech skills that are in highest demand. Until then, keep honing your skills and stay in the loop with the latest tech trends.